Hey Jazzy Squad, welcome to another 10-minute Jazz It Up. I'm Jazz, and for today's 10-minute workout, we're gonna focus on exercises that will improve our posture. This workout is designed for beginners and seniors, but all fitness levels are welcome to join. Let's get some weights ready to go, let's get a mat ready to go. Let's take some few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, everyone, let's get your mats or a nice comfortable spot on the floor, and let's do a nice little quick warm up here. Okay, this is the only exercise we're gonna do on the floor. Everything's gonna be standing. So we're just gonna get the good old fashioned cat-cows going, okay, team? So just get yourself into that tabletop position and let's get it going, okay? So round that spine, bring the head and hips in, and then flex it out, flex that neck, flex that lower back, boom, and just repeat that. So just like hold it for a nice little second count and then bring it out. This is one of the best warm-ups we can do to loosen up our back, to loosen up and straighten our posture. Very good warm-up. I do this every day, 10 to 15 times to loosen it up so my posture throughout the day is nice and steady, nice and strong. So I encourage you all to do this at least once a day, or a set of 10 to 15 a day. Really helps with that posture. All right, squad, beautiful. So first thing I have for you, we're just gonna get the good old fashioned deadlifts going. Okay, deadlifts, you're gonna get a set of medium weights or a set of light medium weights, and then we're just gonna get that back nice and straight, primarily bending at our waist, okay? And then just a slight little bend in those knees, okay? Remember, primary bend at that waist. All right, feet shoulder width. Here we go, team. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. So bring it down and then up. Big inhale down. Exhale up. Big push through those heels. Feet nice and grounded. You should feel this tension primarily in the back of your hamstrings, the back of those legs, those hamstrings. Okay, a little bit in the glutes. You are now listening, or actually a lot of it in the glutes. And then just a little bit in the lower back, but not too much. If you're feeling too much in that lower back, you might be rounding that back a little bit. So just make sure, readjust, make sure that back is as straight as possible. Doing great, squad, let's go. Inhale down, exhale up. All right, squad, almost there. All right, and rest it up, beautiful work. Now we're gonna get the shrugs and the calf raises, okay? So snag some a little bit heavier weights here, okay? I'm gonna go 20 pounds, and we're just gonna get those shoulders to ears, and then we're gonna switch to those calf raises, getting nice and high onto those toes so we can activate the glutes and our calves. All right, team, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. So shrug to those ears. Shoulders to ears, okay? Keep that head nice and neutral, looking straight in front of you, or I'm looking straight at you guys and gals and theys. Doing great. So this is targeting our trapezius muscles, or traps, our upper traps, so you can have a nice tight trap so that we strengthen our neck and keep that head nice and neutral, nice and straight, rather than leaning forward. So for any of you that have seen people with like rounded necks, that's unfortunately what's called kyphosis. And that, you know, we can mitigate that as we age by doing exercises that target the trap muscles like we're doing right now. All right, team. And let's switch it up, so feet a little bit closer, get those calf raises, let's get it. So just high on those toes. High on those toes. This is hitting the glutes, hitting the hamstrings and the calves mainly. But this also is strengthening our posterior chain, which is part of making sure our posture is nice and strong, nice and straight. So this helps with hitting that area, but then also we're still targeting our traps by holding these weights, okay, after we did the shrugs. So making sure, let's have a little bit of a rest here. Great job. Okay, the next thing I got for you are the lawnmowers, okay? So you can grab a nice flat bench, you can grab a chair, or you can do this on the wall as well. Just make sure your body's angled at a 45-degree angle if you're doing it on the wall. And then we're just gonna get that lawnmower each side, okay? Getting that lawnmower each side, okay? And we'll start with the right hand first, and then we'll go to that left side, okay? Here we go, 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. So, holding that weight with our right hand, having that left hand forward, left leg forward or stable on the bench you're on. But if you're standing, that left leg is forward, and then that right leg back. Inhale down, exhale up, team. Doing a great job, nicely done. So back to what I was saying, is that even when we were just doing the shrugs, or when just holding the weight after the shrugs, we're still challenging our traps by making sure, and they're still activated as we hold that weight. So when we hold heavy weight, our traps are activated. Make sure it's nice and stable as we hold those weights. All right, team, great job. And let's switch to the other side. Let's go left now. Hold that with the left hand, right arm forward, right leg forward, left leg back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Pencil shoulder blades. Inhale down, exhale as you bring the weight up. Excellent job, team. Let's go. Create that space for that weight so you can bring it up. Looking good. Hitting that major part of our back, also known as the lats or the latissimus dorsi. And this really helps with strengthening our posture and straightening it in the middle part of our back. All right, team, rest it up. Great job. Snag some water if you need it. And let's go back to the top with those deadlifts, okay? Deadlifts are one of the best exercises you can do for your posture, okay? So go up and weight a little bit if you're feeling spicy, like me, okay? So feet shoulder width, remember, we're just going straight down with that nice straight back, okay? Here we go. Feet shoulder width, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Inhale down, exhale up. Big push through those heels. Excellent work, team. If you are familiar with my workouts and my exercises, deadlifts make an appearance a lot. They are very good for you. I have clients ranging from in their 20s all the way to their late 80s. And even in the late 80s, if they're able to, I get them on the deadlifts. Deadlifts are one of the best things we can do for our posture, best things we can do to stabilize and strengthen our legs. All right, team, almost there. All right, and rest it up. Let's switch. Well done. Let's get those shrugs going and the calf raises. I'm gonna go up and weight a little bit here. We'll start with the shrugs first. Heavier weights. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it, team. Shrugs, shrug it up. Might look interesting, right? Might look funny, but we are really hitting a very major muscle group that's overlooked, especially with our posture. Inhale down, exhale as you bring the weights up. Shoulders to ears, shoulders to ears. Great job, team. Again, it really hits that back part of our neck, right below the neck, so that our head is nice and straight as it can be, and nice as high as it can be. As those muscles pull the head back so that the head's not pushing forward. All right, team, switch it up to the calf raises, go ahead. Nice and high on those toes, doing great. So remember, we're hitting the lower part of our legs here. Still is important for our posture, but at the same time, like I said earlier, still holding those heavy weights, having our traps activated as we maintain the holding position. Doing great, team. Inhale down, exhale up, let's go. We're cruising, you're doing a great job pushing through these exercises. And we're gonna get that lawnmower next and rest it up, beautiful. I encourage you all to go a little bit heavier with the weight, for this last set, okay? Let's start with that right arm forward, okay? Or holding the weight with that right, sorry. Left arm forward, we're holding weight with the right, left arm forward, left leg forward, right leg back. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Pinch those shoulder blades, let's go. Inhale down, exhale up. Heck yeah, team, great work, let's go. All right, beautiful. Let's switch the side, almost done. Left hand now, holding the weight, right hand forward, right leg forward, left leg back. 3, 2, 1, go. Excellent work, team.
You are now listening to JAZ.
Almost there, let's go. All right, beautiful work, squad. Well done. Quick 10 minutes. Got that heart rate up real fast, really hitting a lot of those major muscle groups to make sure our posture is nice and strong. All right, team, thank you so much for coming. Hope you enjoyed this class, all right? Remember, live classes are happening Mondays at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Those live classes are very fun. Hopefully you can join, but if not, I will see you in another one of these recorded workouts soon. All right. Love each other. Love yourselves. Have a great rest of your day wherever you're at. And I'll see you soon. Adios.